Welcome to KB Auto Tech and Adventure. In today's video, it's the weekend. My wife is out for the day, so me and my little boy, we're headed out to the woods to play. We're gonna have ourselves some lunch and a fire, so ride along with us. Today's adventure brings us to the Stave Lake mudflats. With its sandy, muddy bottom, it's mostly known for mud bogging. Being wide open and with an amazing backdrop, it makes it a really fun place to visit. The area can get a little bit busy at times with a lot of people out enjoying their day and having fun in the mud. So we're going to look around and find ourselves a nice little spot. Look at that view, amazing. Me and my little boy, we came out for a little bit of an adventure, and we found that today the flats are wide open and they've opened the gates, so we're out here just spending the day together. So anyways, it is pretty nice out here. It's just the backdrop here is really cool, and just the scenery is really cool, and it's, you know, it's sandy, it's not too muddy out today. So yeah, we're just enjoying the day. So like I was saying, the scenery out here is really awesome. So we got these big tall mountains in the back, and we got the flood plain out here. And a lot of people out there just enjoying the day, a lot of quads and dirt bikes. And we got these nice snow-capped mountains back here. Early spring, so it's kind of at that point where, you know, it could rain at any point, it could snow still. It could also be nice and sunny and warm, so kind of cool experience. So we got ourselves a little fire going on here, and we got these old, you know, stumps, but they look really cool. That's the nice part about it. Kind of a neat little feature to be hanging around here. They look really cool, all the old roots and whatnot. So it's pretty cool. All right, buddy, so what do we do before we leave a fire?
Put out the fire.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so come on, let's go. Let's put it out. Daddy's gonna help you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, pick it up. Okay. And let's go.
Okay.
Flip it over. Take your bucket. What do you think? Should we put one more?
Yes.
Okay, let's get one more just to be sure, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Oh, Daddy, why are you going crazy, Daddy? Daddy, you're doing donuts.
You like donuts?
Yeah. Donuts are so fun. Oh, you're making tire tracks, Daddy.
After a nice lunch and some time by the fire, we figured we would do a little bit of scouting around, check out what people are up to, like this guy in his Jeep Gladiator, just having some fun.
Hey, his truck is not dirtier than the nuts. Our truck is even dirtier. Whoa! How he's doing that, Daddy? Why he's doing donuts in mud?
The one tip I have for you if you head out to Stave Lake is always be prepared with tow straps and possibly a winch and someone to pull you out. It's amazing how some of these small holes just immediately just turn into sinkholes and swallow your vehicle. Seen it time and time again. I got mud on the camera. Oh no. Let's go this way. Let's go this way, okay? What do you think? We'll try this one. See if we can walk these hills. That guy is super stuck. Oh man. Well, we're just airing up the truck. We had a really fun time. Just a short, quick little afternoon getaway, me and my boy. And yeah, it was really fun. It was really fun. Next time we'll have to head back. Make sure I got someone with me. Maybe we'll really get into a couple of those holes. Yeah, bring some tow straps. Probably have my winch going by then. See what we can get up to. So anyways, thanks so much for watching today. And yeah, we'll catch you next time. Consider giving me that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So we'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.